Hey there, TikTok enthusiasts. If you've ever scrolled through TikTok and spotted a video with an amazing filter that made you think, how did they do that? You're not alone. In this quick guide for 2025, I'll walk you through the steps to uncover what filter someone used, so you can recreate those effects yourself. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of TikTok installed on your phone. TikTok updates frequently, and for 2025, they've added some cool features to make discovering effects easier. Open the app and log in if you haven't already. Step 1. Find the video you're curious about. Scroll through your For You page or search for it using the search bar at the top. Once you've got the video playing, tap on it to expand the full screen view. This is where the magic happens. Next, look for the effects icon. In the 2025 update, TikTok has a new Effects Details button. It's usually a little magic wand or sparkle icon in the bottom right corner. Tap that, and you'll see a pop-up menu showing all the filters and effects used in the video. It's that straightforward. If the icon isn't there, don't worry, head to the video's comments section. Sometimes creators mention the filter in their replies or description. Another pro tip. If you're following the creator, check their profile. Many users link their favorite effects in their bio or recent posts. One more thing. Remember, not all filters are publicly available, especially if they're custom or from partnered creators. If you can't find it, try using TikTok's search function by typing in keywords from the video, like glitch effect or vintage filter, to discover similar ones. There you have it. Now you're equipped to uncover the secrets behind those stunning TikTok filters. Give it a try on your next scroll session, and who knows, you might create your own viral hit. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.